Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Technical Tools for Teachers course. Before going to the complete course, I will give brief introduction about this course, what you will learn and what are the outcomes of this course. See here, learning objectives. After completing this course, learners will be able to understand what is technology enabled learning, and they will understand how to create text, video and audio based and visual based content they can create using different types of open educational software tools. So we will introduce what are the open educational resources and what are the different available resources for the open educational content, and they can use different types of platforms to publish their content also, and students can use virtual classroom platforms, they can use different types of platforms to deliver their context or course or anything. These are the learning objectives after this completion of this course. The next, what is e-learning? E-learning, so electronic technologies we have to use different types of electronic technologies to deliver the educational curriculum. Suppose now we are using web conference live session, we are using to deliver my content or my introduction video, introduction curriculum, sorry, introduction concept to the you. So what is the technology I'm using? Yeah, I'm using online technology, web platform I'm using. So we have to use some educational technologies, electronic technologies to access the educational curriculum. It outside of it is either to online or both online or offline, or sometimes blended learning courses. We can create different types of courses. So we have to use some educational electronic technologies to deliver the educational curriculum in school, college, or adult learning trainings, or corporate trainings. The different platforms we are using different educational purposes. This is e-learning. Next, before going to the technical tools, we have to understand what is technology enabled learning. Technology enabled learning aims to focus on increasing access to quality teaching and learning by supporting different types of ICT tools. So that is called technology enabled learning. So here you can see the framework. Here you can see the framework. Technology enabled learning framework is there. TPAC, technology, pedagogical content and knowledge. So later you can understand this technology enabled learning while you are learning the course. This is the framework for technology enabled learning. We are where you have to use different types of technical tools, where you have to incorporate technological content in our curriculum. This is called technology enabled learning. The next, what are the different types of things here? Communication and information search, collaboration, creation, assessment, and personal and professional development. And in these scenarios, we can use the technology. We can use technology enabled content in these type of scenarios. Next, so now come to the introduction to the technical tools and authoring tools. So whatever tool we are using to create content, online resources, that is called technical tool. And specifically some authoring tools also there. They are called software tools to help to create the educational resources, online resources. An authoring tool assists you to creating digital content. The tool could be something as simple as Google Documents or video production suite, different types of softwares, video production softwares. So in the context of learning and developing, an authoring tool commonly refers to the software. It is a software to create content. Okay. So here you can see that the e-learning process framework is there: analysis, design, development, planning, analysis, design, development, and evaluation. So this is content development phases and content delivery phases also there. So in each and every phase we have to use some technical tools, some softwares we have to use. These are called authoring tools. So out of these we will learn some of the open educational authoring tools we will learn. Intro to technical tools and authoring tools, that is in the see here you can see some different types of authoring tools: text based, open office, and open writer, and open impress for PowerPoint and blogs and slideshare, and for video and audio, and for animation, and to publish the digital content. We can see the different types of open educational technical tools for these resources. That is we have to learn, and we will, out of these technical tools, we can find some open educational resources. Open tools, free tools we can use. Open educational resources are freely accessible, openly licensed text, media, and other digital assets that are useful for teaching, learning, and assessing, as well as for research purposes. Here you can see Moodle and Canvas, free LMSs for document preparation, for PowerPoint presentation, OpenOffice, OpenWriter, and OpenImpress, and Audacity for audio editing, audio recording and editing, and Blender for animation, and screencasting, Cam Studio, and video editing tool, and YouTube, some other open publishing softwares, platforms. So these are all comes under OES. So in the course we will discuss about completely about the OES and what are the licenses required for this OES. That is we can identify and we can plot here. Next, virtual classroom tools. Virtual classrooms. Nowadays we have to deliver the classroom through online completely. So to deliver the online classes, some virtual, that is called virtual classroom. So to deliver the online classroom or virtual to conduct virtual classroom, we have to use some software tools, Big Button tool and Adobe Connect. Some other Adobe Connect is a paid tool, it is free tool, it is. So different type of softwares are there, platforms are there to deliver the classes. These we can learn in the course. So what is the summary? So what is e-learning, and what is the technology enabled learning, and what are the different authoring tools, and open educational resources, and virtual classroom. So throughout this course you will learn about these different types of educational content and their uses, mainly for technical tools. Thank you.